On the creative writing question paper, there is a space that is allotted for planning. This space and whatever is written in there is never marked, nor, if it is not utilized, will marks be taken. There is no marks that will be added or taken away if this space for the plan is used or not. So I'm going to share my thoughts on what should be done with this space and why. Creative writing will be the first paper that they sit, and it is going to set the tone for the rest of the exams. And on that day, we have to think about their emotional state, their level of nervousness, and so on. And what I've found is that in planning, this step usually helps to calm them down, center them, and keep them on focus and on track when it comes to the question. So imagine they are looking at their paper, it's a narrative topic, and using their pencils, they're going through the process of analyzing the question. So they're underlining their characters, they're setting the problem, and then they start to plan. And the plan now has the entire plot with the formula Iraqafi. And by the time they're finished with that, which usually takes somewhere between 3 to 5 minutes, they are now centered. They're focused, they know what they're going to write, and it helps them to keep on target while actually writing the entire essay. They can refer to their plan very quickly and understand this is what I am writing, where I'm developing, where I'm at, etc. So for me, this works as a safety blanket. There is absolutely no disadvantage to planning. Let's switch it over to the reports. Let's say a report comes. Same process, they're taking their pencils, they're underlining. They would know the key points, the type of report that they're dealing with, the audience, the persons involved, the location. Then they're going to have their 5-paragraph format plan so that every paragraph in that report, they're going to have the content that is relevant and appropriate for that report. Again, keeping them on target, focused for the task at hand. So while the plan carries no marks, whether they do it or not, for me, it is something that I encourage students to do because it helps to keep them settled, focused, bring their confidence forward. Because when you have that plan and you're writing and you're executing, that definitely builds your confidence. So, creative being the first paper, we want to use the plan to set the tone for the rest of the exams that they will sit, as well as when they are finished with writing, we are absolutely certain that they have executed an excellent piece.